Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. All praise due to Allah and peace be often to our greatest Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companion. Welcome to Islamic Studies class. My dear students, I think you are facing a critical situation. So don't forget Allah's name in this pandemic situation. Always remember Allah. And every day in the morning and the evening, try to remember Allah's name. Try to perform 5 times salat. Not only this, and try to recite this dua every day in the morning and the evening. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal barasi al-jununi al-juzami wa min sayyil asqam. And you can recite this dua also. Bismillahilladzi la yadurru ma'a ismihi shayyun fil ardi wa la fis samai wa huwa as-sami'ul alim. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if we recite this dua every day, Allah will save us from all kinds of disease and danger. My dear students, we have done our third monthly test. Now we are waiting for our test exam. You know one thing, in this situation nothing is stopped, everything is running. So we will not kill our time. Don't forget it, the time it is like a sword. If you don't cut him, it will cut you. Our online test will start from 20th October. So I will request you, don't misuse your time. Don't waste your time. My dear students, I think our students are facing problem to solve the question, to solve the comprehensive question like B type question. Today I will discuss some comprehensive question from chapter 3 related to ibadat. You can see here I have written some question from chapter 3. Number 1, what do you mean by haqqul ibad? Number 2, I have created jinn and man for my ibadat only. Number 3, salat creates social tie. Psalm is as if shield. Zakat is the breeze of Islam. Student-teacher's relationship, one of the heart. What do you mean by service to humanity? Pay the dues of the worker between his sweat dries out. Now I will discuss the answer. How we will write the answer? No need to write so many things. It is enough to write 3 or 4 points only for this question. First question, try to understand what do you mean by haqqul ibad. You know, the meaning of haqqul ibad, obligation and responsibility towards fellow human beings. Human beings are social beings. They live in a society. We live together with our parents, sisters, brothers, our neighbor and relatives in the society. So we try to help each other in the time of sorrows and danger. These mutual obligations and responsibility towards each other is called haqqul ibad. I think it is enough the answer of the question. Number 2, I have created jinn and man for my ibadat only. It is the ayat of Surah Az-Zariyat. Allah has created the human beings and jinn and all mashrukat only for they will remember Allah's name, they will worship Allah, nothing else. Allah will not demand from them they will feed to Allah. No, they just remember Allah and they worship Allah. Number 3, now this question. Salat creates social tie. You know one thing, Salat creates social tie, there is no doubt about it. It is connected with social importance of Salat. By offering Salat, a Muslim servant generally pray to Allah, seek forgiveness and mercy and dua. For this why it is called Salat. Not only this, people can get opportunity to assemble in a place every day, and they get chance to meet another Muslim. By this, social bond becomes strong, and it removes discrimination among the Muslim while they stand side by side inside the masjid. There is no discrimination. It develops the equality among the Muslim people. So it is enough. It will be the answer of the question, nothing else. Now the question number 4. Saum is as if shield. Explain. This is also one of the hadith of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "As-siyamu junnatun." Saum teaches man to keep away from all kinds of evil deeds and danger. Man indulges in many deeds under the influence of greed and avarice, envy and hatred, anger and agitation. So Saum saves us from all kinds of sinful activities. Saum is a shield between man and his evil deeds. When a Muslim people observe Saum, he never indulges in sinful activities. Saum reminds he is the mu'min. Now another question. Question number 5. Zakat is the bridge of Islam. Zakat, it is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. There is a hadith Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Az-zakatu kantaratul Islam." That means zakat is the bridge of Islam. In the month of Ramadan, when rich people give zakat, poor people can get chance to meet with the rich people. By this, it removes discrimination among the people. It makes a relation between rich and poor. So it is one of the source of Islamic economic system. Students, now question number 6. Question number 6. Student-teacher's relationship is one of the heart. It is as if the relation between parents and children. As parents wish well for the children, inspire them to do good. Similarly, a teacher wish his students well and to guide them right path. As the children inherits property from his parents, like the students inherits knowledge from his teachers. And as a children may become rich by utilizing the inherited property, similarly a student become a great scholar by enriching the knowledge receiving from the teachers. So I think it is clear to you. If you will write this, you will get 2 marks. Another question. Question number 7. What do you mean by service to humanity? Service to humanity means to take care of Allah's creations, to help them, to cooperate with them, and to service to all men irrespective of race and color. And we are the Ashraful Makhlukat, the best of all creations. So it is our duty to serve the Allah's creations, because we know there are 2 types of ibadat. One is Haqqullah, another is Haqqul Ibad. To serve the humanity and to serve our neighbor, relatives, to help the poor people and distressed people, it is related to Haqqul Ibad. So if we fulfill the Haqqul Ibad, we will get reward in the day of Qiyamah. And another question, pay the dues, the workers between sweat dries out. It is the hadith Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the Islamic regulation in respect of quick payment of OAs, and it is clear to us Prophet ﷺ said in the hadith to pay the dues of the worker in time. It is not right to delay the payment to the worker. It is against Islam. A worker will buy some food for himself and for his family if we give their salary. So Islam emphasizes us to pay their salary in time. For this why Prophet ﷺ said this hadith, pay the salary or pay the wage to the worker between his sweat dries out. That means we will pay their salary as early as possible. So my dear students, if you write the answer in this way, you will get full marks. No need to write so many things. I will request you, when you will write the answer of the question number B, just try to write the answer according to the question. Allah Hafiz.